friends, and welcome back to Auto DNA. I'm your host Rishabh Rajesh, and in this video we are going to talk about the 7-seater version of the Creta 2020. So let me tell you, this will not launch in 2020. This will launch in second quarter in the second period of 2021. But still, we are going to give you some feature updates and what will be different, what will be the styling updates, will the engine options be the same or different. Everything we are going to cover in this video. So let's start with this video so that you be well informed. And right before starting, let me tell you, please subscribe to our channel, and after subscribing, press the bell icon to stay notified for latest updates and more such news and reviews. And after lockdown, we'll be bringing you more walkarounds and reviews. Let's start. First of all, image credits go to Omkar Survey Designs, who have made and who have rendered the images of the Creta 2021 7-seater, and they have also Instagram page which is Omkar Survey 911, so you can go there and follow them. And he also runs a channel named Area of Interest, so you can go and follow them as well over there as well. So now we are going to start with our part. So now let's see the front profile of this car. So over here we can see that the grille has regone a little bit of updates with all these chrome elements. Without the full stripping, there are small chrome elements which we had seen in the iX25, which is sold in Chinese market and in other foreign markets. And let me tell you, from the side we can see that the front door is exactly the same. Even the bonnet line, everything remains the same, the lights remain the same, but inside the only difference is in the second door, because in the second door ends kind of above the rear wheel, and there is no third door to it. So the best part is that in the interior, the seats which will be there, it will be movable and foldable, in which there will be a perfect ingress and egress of the passengers to go into the third row seat and coming out of it. Let me tell you that even the boot will be opening from where you can access the third row of seats. And let me tell you, from the rear there will be a little bit of changes, like there will be there will be a design, and apart from that everything will remain exactly the same. The lights will also be done a little bit, will be redone a bit, so that it will have a more macho appeal, and it will really when it's going on the road, people will obviously know that this is the Creta 2021 7-seater. So let me tell you, this car is in the orange color. We are not exactly sure if the orange color will come or not. Talking about its engine options, there will obviously be a diesel engine. About petrol engines, we are not sure, not about the turbocharged petrol as well. The price will somewhere be between 11.7 lakhs all the way up to 19 lakh rupees. And in terms of features, we are not expecting a panoramic sunroof over here, because there are because it's already got a third row of seats along with many other features. So we don't think that there will be a panoramic sunroof. But of course, there will be electric sunroof as well. Then there will be the same touchscreen infotainment system as there on the Creta 2020. Apart from that, steering wheel will exactly be the same, the D-cut flat bottom steering wheel. There will be a digital instrument cluster, there will be other features. And let me tell you, for the third row of passengers, there will be the roof mounted AC vent, or on the sides you will be getting the AC vents, which the people at the back will not feel uncomfortable. And there will be big window panels on both the sides of the third row, so that the people don't feel suffocated and suffocated or claustrophobic. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. And apart from that, everything remains the same. There's no much of difference, but yes, there'll be small elements which will define it or redefine it as a SUV, which is a 7-seater one. Let me tell you, Creta 2020 has reached in the top 10 selling cars in India for the past 2 months. Let me tell you that even being the costliest in the top 10 cars which sell the most, still it has got a lot of demand amidst the coronavirus or COVID-19 cases and the COVID-19 scenario. So that was it from my side. If you like this video, do give this video a like. Also subscribe to our channel, and after subscribing, press the bell icon to stay notified for latest updates. This is Rishabh Rajesh signing off from Auto DNA. Let me tell you, we have another channel which we have started, which is called Mummy Da Kitchen. So you can go there and follow us. We'll be posting cooking videos regularly over there, so do check it out. The link will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Bye.